Bachiga TV turi Neymar.
I'm proud, ndaulira. I'm proud, ndaulira. I'm proud, ndaulira. Okushera omukigaye Johnny Gorody. I'm proud, ndaulira. I'm proud, ndaulira. I'm proud, ndaulira. Okufuna omukigaye Johnny Gorody. Nkakuleba ku first time, nakukunda ku first time. Wija Valentine Abachiga nation tugende babiri Nyo muchiga kashosho kuluka kigezi Baby otandekawo Baby oinekeya Baby oinekeiwe Baby oinekeya Yeah I'm proud ndaulira I'm proud ndaulira I'm proud ndaulira Okushero muchigaye Johnny Gorody I'm proud ndaulira I'm proud ndaulira I'm proud ndaulira Okufuna muchigaye Johnny Gorody Okukaza shika bachiga kiri bata Omushiza ina bachiga kiri batiwe Ngambira Hai tuje no mumisho Hai tuje na vision Hai tufune komisho Hai tuje na vision Yeah Adago I'm proud ndaulira I'm proud ndaulira I'm proud ndaulira Okushera muchigaye Johnny Gorody I'm proud ndaulira I'm proud ndaulira I'm proud ndaulira Okufuna muchigaye Johnny Gorody Kakureba wambonerero inamatse Kakureba wambonerero inenebisha It comes like a dream that you dream but you never get rid of Everything you do is all I need, girl, you give me love Leva njiwo inebyona omutima ogwera Guma kwinetse mbuza kawanzarabana ebyanje byonna Nube wabitereza Iwe kukuburaho umutima gurugahera inkwenda byona birema My baby Dori kabari abandi Maboti ba
Bachiga TV turi Neymar.
Eji ni Bachiga TV turi Neymar. Utakayebwa kutufollowinga Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook na buri social media platform yona kandi utakayebwa kusubscribinga YouTube channel yitu Bachiga TV turi Neymar kandi ko kumwareba irizatulina yo nature on the beat uramanya tindisho baramwita ango kongaraza kutushobororera irizatuli Bachiga TV tuli Rockstar Production tuenda kumenya buri kimwe Spring Studio kazahe ekabachi tomanyera sakshaka wajigurize so erizoba tuli Bachiga TV turenda tumanye ebira kwatali nature your boy nature on the beat so ango nature welcome we bari Bachiga TV abari ku bantu bari kureba so baramatine ndakuzare nendo maze otugambire ango nature no koze nge personally ngenda mama zina gawe minjeri ango nature rero anko yo nature boy on the beat so nenda otweshobore kujangu ori Bachiga TV amanye odyoha wenyine.
Okay, first of all, your boy Nature on the Beat is a brand name. Because then I got to enjoy it. But my brand name is your boy Nature on the Beat. You can follow me on Facebook. That's where I'm popular on. And then they have, of course, Instagram, Twitter. My profile is there. Your boy Nature on the Beat is a simple guy who is inspired by instruments. But the instrument, whichever instrument I come close to, I learn how to play. So he's a simple guy, Rakuda music, no discovering more about music. So your boy Nature on the Beat is a simple guy who loves music.
So, your boy Nature on the Beat. kandi ngo kumawera izatwamushanga studio yeye so angonecha igi studio barajetre
Jibajita Rock City. Rock City it's called Rock City Productions. That's Rock City Productions in productions lines nyingi, videos, events, and then artist management, music promotion, and event begins. It's under the it's signed up ikatwara na Spring Studio. Ori kumbuza mu Spring Studio kazanga it merged up with Rock City because Rock City is a big big house.
Spring Studio is under Rock
City, yes.
Okay.
And no one was on Kish Entertainment. You know Kish Entertainment was among Spring Studio na Kish Entertainment enhansia Rock City
Productions. So kumawulira angonecha ikindi kinenda kumanya nenda kare umpe brief history. Kare ko kuwatandikira ko zimwendishwa first time yanje yo kumanya angonecha ukabore lecture bayira. Kabori some university I don't have to mention. Konga ndamanye history yawe like ngene umuntu ari kureba abakiga TV amanye angonecha jane yakajitari oramanye abantu binjye mu babenkiwe oroyine you can be a role model to some people so ababara kuruginga up to abara kureberaho nda kubagambire brief history yawe ngo kwatandikire.
Now the way Uncle started off with the music mu mwaka kwa 10
so 6
it's 6 that is at Geza High School with my that was I was in senior 3 Ndina Baru I was with Nero, yes Baru who is now based at Dustville in Kampala. Nero then the guy who really put me into the things called Gumi. Yes, Gumi.
No Muchiga.
Gumi wamweta Gimisiza Timothy. He's the first guy who gave me the software to produce. So I can CD, you check out this CD, CD software as a music production, Adobe Audition, Fruity Loops, then Amuka to the computer. Then that's how my music journey started by just handing me a CD with lots of softwares. Then Jenamuka, I tried to learn that software. Then kaboom, I started studying beats and recording it.
So katani goleshongora niwe keshongora
me keshongora but nkanta reverse because that was not my calling nyonka nyine gukora music not to go kageze kuzamu za ku rap ngakora chi but I couldn't feel it because gahora ngo this is not me, this is not what I should be doing. So bya kweshongora no ku rapping mostly I was rapping. So rapping and I will go and I just decided to concentrate on music production.
Okay, so you empower wine ngoga yo product ya production producing education ngo kota raza question. Okay, so
like ankanda raza question konko mutima gukaguma kwanje gumachi
production amera kure
yeah mutima gwa munganje bajabu obwo ine kora beats, do the beats, leave the singing for others, you can't do everything.
So basically naenda kuuza who inspired you. So ni team what inspired you?
No, I was inspired by Dr. Dre.
Dr. Dre.
Dr. Dre and Timbaland because one of the beats and Zokumans I was producing mostly majorly hip hop and R&B, and I've redone I redid songs of Timbaland. I did songs of Tupac. I've done Gekugargamezo beats. So I was inspired by Timbaland and also Dr. Dre.
So like in a producer in a Gershon, Gyorakunda, kare uramanya kujya umwe urakunda abana bawe wowe ni ngomuzi. Ngoro ine abora kizeho kukunda. So iwe ni Gershon ngoro bingaye bitanu. Ngambire Gershon ngoro bitanu. Gyoramanya ngo ka producing really na ashemererwa kandi byanyiyayo.
Because was over now imagine from 2006 to now but let me try to see when I look on my computer I still have them. But there's one which I produced for Baru Beats, and then Nero, titled Everything. That was my first major song that I really did, and it became, that is one. It's called Everything. Done by Baru and Nero. Yeah, I'm starting from those days. Then I came and produced a song by Fox Amani. Fox Zamani,
Flora,
yeah, Fox Zamani,
And
Snaz, and RJB. Then Nijana producing a chinchation.
Was it RJB or Big Gomora?
Yeah, Big Mura.
Big
It
Mura.
is long time. It was like 2012, 13 there. Then jazz.
Jazz producer.
Yes, jazz producer. Acheta Awihi. Then Akariro Kache. Those were my biggest.
You made the Akariro Kache?
Yes, Akariro Kache and Awihi. Then of recent days, I also made songs for Aman, Amaniga, and again, Nibjinj, I can't say all of them.
Okay, as a producer in the Biashongolo Bjinj, you're going to kamanye komuntu uri kureba Biashongolo byore
Echeshongo chikozire ecyanshimize kushira munonga n'ekinakolire Dixlexe titled not even Oshanga is on the list. Yeah, there are very many. Konka, there is a song I did for Dixlexe with T-Bro titled what? It's a hip hop and R&B song with T-Bro. It was one of the best projects I worked on, but the most artists that I worked on and I was happy was Dixlexe with a song titled Siveni.
So Dixlexe is under your management. That is Kish Entertainment.
No, it is not my management. It is Kish Entertainment. Kish Entertainment. I'm one of the directors.
Yeah. So Angonecha, if you have a good idea, Konka Echinde, the music achigezi wa jitile amurembe amutindo. Kuba tuzina recently Abeshongo zwitu bakabeta Kampala. Uzakora ki performing mu rukiga kandi ramanya icyo twalubwire byinji babire barajango wotakayishongora izindi ndimi gutoka kwa stoka hitinga kuga twashire waba proving wrong binji because tukareba gishongora byinji byabeshongozi bawe barabeta ukora ki performing. So iwe ora rating wotakigeze music ora jireba harurengo ki
Igeze music first of all nienda ochichirize ngo there's a reason why they say Central is central. When an area is in this, Ojangu Kabare muri Central Uganda, nito music yitu yobera huliro. Wachira, kunka music yitu eri mu kashonda ka Uganda. You get? Let me ask you, what are the chesho cha arowa chihitinjire? What are the chesho cha soroti guru chihitinjire? But the most songs that really hit are songs that are in Central Uganda. That means that we actually to both Jerism. You see, like Mbara, they tried because Mbara is the second capital city of Uganda, something like that. Watch it. So, music Kabari, we are trying our level best. It is only a process. You tuonjangu waza mu primary, undakuda mu P1, ikonaza mu P6. Okay, mu P6 waza mu senior 4. No, it's a process. And Kabari, we are still young, very young when it comes to music. So it is just a matter of time. Even if I can give an example, at VOK, one radio station around Kabari, they would play music every between 5 and 6 from Western Uganda. But where did it take us? Even if we play every now and then music from Kabari or Kigezi, it is just a process. If people want to like, they are going to like, but that there's that central influence.
So to the
no gumisiriza. We push in, we push pora. It's like how you can bring an artist from Buganda and you're comparing an artist from Buganda with an artist from Kabari. Central is central. Yeah. So that is my take when it comes to Western music. But Mutawa man, and one thing that is why I say central. Most of music channels are in Kampala. How many TVs are in Kampala?
There are very many.
Over 40. How many TVs are in Western Uganda?
A few.
Like 3 or 4. How many radio stations are in Central Uganda? What is the population in Central Uganda? You get? So, to comparing abantu vitano. Comparing n'abantu 10, not really. So we have to keep on pushing to achieve to get more radio stations, more TVs, and what the last thing that is pushing Western music is these clubs. About clubs, TVs or big screens, more than 5. Can go in audio or register screen.
So Anganecha, kandi chindi oramenye ni program ya Haswe. Turagezeho kumanya umuntu kuko yayi building ngene kuko yayombekire kwikahari oramanya life niyo ko amagara nako kweyombeka buri izoba. So iwenka your boy Nature on the beat. Umurimo gwawe no gwa production kushe niyo yesente zawe ninga ginendije mirimo yo yindi.
Man, me I'm a hustler. Not because namuri jana mashana na actually mwa kujana mashana tell how about the things I venture into. I work on radio, I work on Bachiga TV. I have my projects at home. I also deal with electronics. I deal in transporting because I have a car which transports things. If you want your things to be moved from one place to another, so I venture into other things, and also of course managing artists.
So when you Uncle Nature, your boy Nature on the beat, koku yaje mutumwete. So Uncle Nature, like ndenda manye nibe shonguziki abo woyenzire ngukole nabo. Uraburi yambwiye ngo umweshonguzi nakora nawe ndabona nashemererwa kandi namukore ikintu kiboni niba.
Of course, I'm going to start with Bachiga. There's a guy called Kasabudo.
Kasabudo.
Yeah, Kasabudo has a nice talent, nice vocal. Again, I skill. I like his song Kagamba Kafuse Chingamo. And then there is also another friend of mine called Peter Wedge. Peter Wedge, yes. He has nice talent, nice music and talent, but I have never worked with him. And then you're talking about people I've never worked with.
Yeah. Like you've never worked with.
Then I have who maybe Tuzenka Himwen. Those are I think the only two people I would want to really work with. Because there are very many.
I know. So Uncle Nature, like I'm sorry because you ramanyenda kumaka Uncle Nature kunka izaka okushanga mu kishwani cha your boy Nature on the beat. So your boy Nature on the beat ni advice chi iyo raha abantu bari kureba Bachiga TV abara kureberaho kugira ngo nabo bende babenkiwe barinda babenkiwe ki bakore ki uramanya mugeji life tuletaga buryo mwayino warareberaho ukamubonera amagezi ubwenge kugira ngo nawe ahubwo mu ntari nawe abase kwikaho ni magezi shakora ba.
The only thing to do no you can't rush something. You see, Kampala, no, it cannot happen. So no gumisiriza, then also ukakunda ikintu cy'uko. Yes, Drake ndamenje iri kugwa wenchi curfew, but you had to hustle come and do what you do best. So ikina baganga no gumisiriza and mukunde cyo murakora mutemo mutima and concentrate. Jire bintu bikibira kuzya. So concentrate, just love what you're doing, and everything will be on point.
Kale ubwo yari Uncle Nature akagambo ka mwero Uncle Nature akabareba Bachiga TV turahendera program yitu ya hustle.
Yachinda bagamba no kukunda Bachiga TV kandi you hustle so hard so that batakushikira. Yeah, hustle so hard like Draco. Yeah, hustle so hard and life is all about hustling. There's nothing which comes easy. Whatever everything here tukuja mkanje it is all about hustling. Yeah, so hustling be polite and the one advice I give them is or one thing I can tell them is politeness costs nothing. That's one thing I tell these people. Politeness. Politeness costs nothing.
So ejeri program ya hustle Bachiga TV turi nimwe koko nagambira utakayiba kusubscribing on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook na social media platform yona. So please ogumara tureba the hustle turi hano ya Bachiga turi nimwe mazima nasigara ndi Drake the Brown Chiga tureba no rakatano rundi. Bye.